And there we go. We're up.
Cool. Let's just wait.
Yep.
Let's just wait a little bit.
Cool.
Okay, should we begin?
Yep. I'm good to go.
Hello.
No.
I'm going to paste one more chat. Paste it in one more chat. Then we go.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. My name is Christopher, and this is Evan and Arnar.
Hello.
We are like making the Cocoverse happening. Yeah. If you're here, you probably know that the Cocoverse is a project made for NFT on the Tesos blockchain, and that it is, yeah, it's like a video game where you make your own apartment based on like objects and assets from the Tesos blockchain.
Yep.
We're just gonna update you every week with updates like on the game and website and where we stand on the development, and hopefully get some questions and stuff like that in chat. Yeah, I think we should just begin with looking at the game.
Yep.
How it looks right now.
Okay, so yeah, let's switch to maybe we could show the website first and then
Yeah.
okay.
True.
So this is I got the website pulled up here. So this is I don't think we even had this on our last stream, but this is the new website. It's looking very nice, made by Arnar. So we have here on the front page is just we have Kogos of the day that'll refresh every day, shows a different Kogo NFT that we have. And then down here we have a list of all the collaborators who help us out, and social media is down here. So up in the top right we have our about us section as well, where you can read a little bit about us. There's a timeline here for all the dates. We usually we covered those in the I don't look very happy in that picture of the website. You guys have such nice photos and I'm here grumpy, but but yeah, that's the about us. The news section, stay tuned for that, just like it says. We're still building the website, so but this is where we're going to post news and stuff. The voting page is also coming soon, hopefully pretty soon, and that's where you guys will be able to vote on decisions that will on how we develop the game. So you guys will be a part of the development like that. And then finally over here, there's the weekly demo. So this is where you click play, and then that brings you to the game. Hopefully it's picking it up. Yep.
Also on the front page we have added you can log in now with your wallet.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, let me go back. Yeah, so finally we have this log in with your wallet. So we're at the beginning stages of implementing the blockchain into the game, like connecting the two. So if you click on this, here you can actually sign in with your preferred Tezos wallet, and eventually it will connect that to the actual game, and then you'll be able to import NFTs that you own and put them in your apartment and decorate how you want. Yeah. So back over here to the game. It's pretty similar to how it was last week. There's a few new things. Here, I'll just sign in. Ooh,
change the color.
yeah. Okay, login doesn't seem to. Let me refresh.
Our
Hello?
first difficulty.
There we go. I'm in. Um, that was. I wonder if it's because I changed tabs or something. Obviously, it's still very early access, right? Oh, there's Fair. So yeah, so we do have multiplayer just like last week. There's a few new things. Okay, so first thing you might notice the background and the apartment. We have some new apartment um, uh,
Assets
sprites, assets. And we also have this new elevator as well, which is nice. Um, the paintings are still the same. They're still being loaded from the IP directly, like from IPFS, where they're being stored. So they're not
directly
actually in the
from the
game.
blockchain.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. So uh, that's still the same. Our newest feature or thing we've changed here is the chat up in the top right. So if you click this tab, um, yeah, we can see Christopher already sent a message, and then anyone can type
Yeah.
as well. Obviously, my name, I set my name to hello, and the usernames also are switched to whatever color the the user
Skeleton.
chose as their skeleton color.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's mostly it for the game.
Yeah, we have not yet added. There's gonna be like floors.
Mm-hmm.
So the elevator you see there will be like connected to different floors in the property you buy. So if you buy a 3-floor property, you will have 3 floors you can put all your NFTs onto.
Yep.
But if you buy just a 1-floor apartment, you will not have the elevator and just have more space in that 1 floor.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the prices for like the property will be like priced on each floor. So 3 floors will cost 30 pesos, and 2 floors will cost 20 pesos, and 1 floor will cost 10 pesos.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's going to be in the first batch one skyscraper, which is going to be 10-story high
Mm-hmm.
and cost 100 pesos.
Yeah.
The properties, like we will do, like the first 50 will come out on 11th of February.
Mm-hmm.
So like the first 50 will come out then, and there's gonna be airdrop to the ones that buy the first 50. There's the NFT essentially is gonna be or the asset for the apartment property is gonna be a key.
Mm-hmm.
So the airdrop is gonna be a cool keychain you get. There's just gonna say 50 on it that you can like display.
Yep.
So it will say that you are one of the first 50.
50 people, yeah, to buy an apartment.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the first 50 will have 1 month, one whole month before everyone else. So they will have 1 whole month inside the voting system in the game.
Mm-hmm.
So they will have so many decisions to make and will drive the development of the game and do decisions that the other people probably won't have.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really important that the first 50, like their role in the whole thing is going to be huge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's important to note here that everyone who owns apartment will be able to vote. You can't vote in the voting system unless you have actually property in the game.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not investing in something that other people can vote on. It's everyone that has invested into a property in the game will be able to vote, use the voting system.
Yeah. I noticed NHH Tycho had a question here. He asked what the price for the first 50 properties is.
The first properties will be for each floor. It's going to cost 10 pesos. So and the largest one is going to be 10 floors.
Hmm.
But it will mostly be one floor, 2 floors, or three floors.
Yeah.
So it's going to cost everywhere between 10 to 30 pesos for a property, but one property will cost 100, and that's the big one.
That's yeah. Yeah. So it's gonna be 10, 20, or 30, or there will be one like skyscraper, which is 10 floors
Yeah,
high, which will be 100.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And also we have found like the street name for the first street. It's going to be the only street that our team, like us three, will name
Hmm.
because the voting system is not up yet. So
Yeah.
the next streets will be voted on. But
Hmm.
we decided on Skelly Street.
Yeah.
So if you buy one of the first 200, uh, you're gonna be in on Skelly Street. So it's gonna be Skelly Street 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 200.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's gonna be just one street.
Yeah.
Yeah, are there any questions? No. New background color is cool. I agree. uh, yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Also, we need mods for Discord.
Hmm.
So if there are any viewers that want to do like the mod thing and be a mod on the Discord, you can DM me on Discord. I'm Christopher on Discord, and you can just send me if you want to be a mod.
Yeah. That'd be
Also, if
super
you're mod on
helpful.
Discord, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, I think like if you had talked about the most of the things this week, honestly,
Hmm.
the website is
Yeah.
looking good.
There's another question here from Satan as NFT. Is there? He asks, is there a limit for the property, like only 200 property ownership or unlimited? Yeah.
Okay, so the first batch is gonna be 200 properties, and maybe or at least first we do 50, and then
Hmm.
1 month later we go do 150.
Hmm.
So it's gonna be 200 in the span of a month.
Yeah.
But maybe later in maybe let's say July, there's gonna be another
Hmm.
200 maybe.
Yeah. But I'm wondering if he means like per like property ownership limits per like account. You know what I mean? Yeah.
There's no limit.
No
You can
limit.
buy as many properties as you want.
Yeah. You can buy all 200
Honestly,
if if you'd like.
yeah, I mean, like that would be kind of a monopoly,
Yeah.
but I mean that's what the game is. So
Yeah. Yeah. So
if it
no.
ends up like that, then you can do that.
Yeah. No limit.
So per wallet, every wallet can own as many properties as you want.
Yep.
Honestly, just as many properties as you can catch.
Yep.
But yeah, and yeah, but there will be 200 minted in the span of a month next month or in just a few days.
Yeah.
I think it's exactly in 2 weeks we're gonna mint the first 50.
Yeah.
And there's important to note that there are 10 artists helping us like and making their own uh, key for their properties. So there will be 10 artists also involved in this,
Hmm.
like the last drop that Koga did.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10, 20, 30, and 100.
Yeah. I think he's for is 4L. Um, yeah, those are going to be the original prices of the apartments. It's 10 pesos per floor that you own per property. So if you have a one floor property, it's going to be 10, two floor 20, and so on.
I think we should show the game again.
Yeah, yeah, for new
There are
people.
some new viewers. Let's show the game.
Yeah. So uh, Oh, I should switch to that. There we go. So we're still in here. Christopher, if you can move around, it says you're still logged in. Just want to make sure that there's no timeout again. Are you moving?
Yeah.
Ah, shoot, still timeout issue there. But here, I'll log
Let's
out.
just refresh.
Yeah, I'll log out and log back in as well. Show the login screen again. And anyone, who wants to join in, if you go on the website, on kogoverse.com and then click play, you can hop in as well.
Yeah. You can check out the game right now.
Yep. All right, I'm in. Yeah, so this is us. The controls, by the way, they're still use the mouse. So just click and hold in any direction, and your character will follow it.
There have been some questions about movement. We will maybe add movement. It depends if it everything will be voted on in the end. So this is just a beginner movement. If people want to have like the R keys or A, S, D or whatever, that will be added, but it will have to be voted on.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, and the new chat is here also. Yeah, I think we kind of covered most of it in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think we did a pretty good job of covering it all. Isforel wants us to change floors, but sorry, Isforel, that we don't have that implemented yet. We will very soon. We were hoping to have it for this week's stream, but it didn't end up working out. But definitely next one, we'll have an example.
Yeah,
of
next
going,
Friday.
Yeah.
Every Friday we're gonna do a stream and show you the progress of the game.
Yeah.
And this is basically what you're seeing here is this is apartment. Like if you buy a private property, you will own one of these and you can do whatever you want to it.
Yeah.
You can put whatever you want on the walls, you can decorate it however you want. So this is the beginning stages. Yeah, basically this is a ground level.
Yeah.
But our art won't be on the walls when you buy it. It will be just empty and you will have to add everything to it.
Exactly.
And just the only thing that's going to be there is the elevator.
Yeah. I was thinking we may want to shrink the elevator down as well a little. Oh,
yeah.
Someone new's here. Welcome. But we may want to shrink the elevator down just to give more space in the room.
Yeah, exactly.
But
yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's not much else to talk about actually.
Yeah,
it's
I think
just
we've covered most of it.
How many NFTs can be displayed on one floor? It all depends on you, my friend.
Yep.
You just add however you want to it. You can add all your NFTs. You can add just a single one. It's kind of gonna be an open world in that aspect. It's gonna be just think of a line and you can just walk through it. So there's gonna be doors on each side and you can walk through the doors and then you're into another people's apartment. So you can have a next door neighbor and stuff like that. Because so it's kind of be
it's like all on one street.
No, you can't put on Ethereum NFTs on the wall because this is only going to be on the Tesos blockchain.
Yeah.
There's going to be a main floor, but it's going to be just the ground floor. So the first floor in your apartment will be the ground floor, and that's the main one.
Yeah, that's where people will enter when they're walking.
Yeah.
From side
and
to side,
also
right?
The doors are going to be there.
Yeah.
But if you have only one floor property, the elevator won't be there, but there will be doors on either side, so you will have neighbors.
Yeah.
And the line will be like it's gonna be a linear. It's just gonna be one line, so you can actually walk from apartment 1 to 200.
Yeah.
So we can look at every single one of the apartments and see how they are made and look at art in every single one of the apartments.
Yeah.
And also we are hoping like it becomes like an ecosystem where maybe say Tana's NFT will make a sofa and mint it on the blockchain, and the beans will like buy property, like buy it on the object.com, buy the sofa from him,
Mhm.
and do it like kind of like a thing like that.
Like
So
trade, like a
people can,
market.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So if you want to like do a sofa, if you want to be a sofa maker, you can make a sofa for the game,
Yeah.
you know. So anyone can make assets and
Yeah.
sell them on the market.
Yeah.
So yeah, I actually don't think there's much else to
Yeah.
talk
To
about
talk
this
about.
stream.
Yeah.
This has been a good, what,
Good.
20 minutes or 30 minutes or something.
Yeah.
And yes, he's literally just playing PS5.
Got him. Busted. That's funny. Oh,
Yeah,
mathematics.
so
So,
yeah.
work on the lift. Yeah.
100% agree. Yeah, let's go work on the lift, guys.
Yeah.
The mechanics.
So I guess
This is the
if
yeah.
if you guys have any more questions, I guess now would be time to say it, and then if not, I guess it's probably we'll probably sign off.
Yeah, just next week.
Yep, until next Friday, and we'll
We will
probably do
have the
same.
elevator next week.
Yeah, for sure.
And probably some other stuff. Maybe some basics for the website voting system.
Yeah.
Maybe news. We don't know. But hopefully we will be able to like show you some cool stuff next week.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
All right. Doesn't seem like there's any more questions, so.
Oh. Okay. Goodbye, guys.
All right.
See you next Friday.
All right. See you guys.
See you guys.
All right. Bye.